Okay, this is a video training session on how to create hyperlinks using the Greenscape's content management system. Okay, well let's go ahead and get started, and let's go ahead and log into the content management system. We'll just simply place the word user at the end of the URL. And once we're to the user account page, we'll go ahead and log in using your given username and password. And just like with other training sessions before, once you're logged in, you can see the administration menu right here up at the top. But like I've also said before, we're going to go ahead and go directly to the page that we want to edit. And the page that we're going to edit today is Commercial, Services, and the Design page. Alright, once we're to the Design page, you'll see that we have two tabs, View, which we're in the View mode as it is right now. And we have the Edit tab. And all you have to do to edit the page is just click on the Edit tab. And you can see that the page that we have so far, we have formatted text already. We have our sample headlines, we have our paragraphs, we have our sample bulleted list. But as you can see, we have some links that we need to put in. We have a click here to read more, which will be an external link. We have a page that we know is going to be a link, but we don't exactly know what the URL is yet. But we want to create what's called a dummy link to let us know as a reminder that soon we're going to have to put in that link. And I'll show you how to do that. We also have an email link that we need to place, and an internal link that links to a contact page within the Greenscape's website. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's do that external link first. The click here to read more, and then we'll just run down the page as we go. To edit the page, simply click Edit. Alright, once we've pressed Edit, now we're in Edit mode. And we'll just drag open our WYSIWYG editor. And just as a reminder, WYSIWYG means what you see is what you get. So this is basically an HTML text editor. It allows you to edit HTML text without knowing how to edit HTML text. So we'll go ahead and start off with the first link. Click here to read more. All you have to do is highlight the words that you want to be the link. We'll scroll up to this illustration that looks like the Earth with a little chain link. Simply click on that button. And once this pop-up window comes up, go ahead and plug in the URL you want that link to go to. The one thing is because we're going to link this to an external web page, we don't want them to navigate away from the Greenscape's website. We want them to basically just open up a new browser window so the Greenscape's website stays on. So let's change that by pressing Target. Change the target from Not Set to New Window. And then just click OK. Okay, now let's create our dummy link. I'll go ahead and just highlight the whole sentence. And we'll click on this button again. Change the protocol to Other. And then in the URL space, just put the £sign. And now click OK. And just like I was explaining earlier, this gives you a sort of placeholder for a link that you just don't know what the URL is going to be yet, but you want to remind yourself that this link needs to be filled out. Alright, now the next link we're going to do is an email link. For this one, I'll highlight, click here. And just like with the other links before, we'll click on the link button. Now this time we're going to change this from link type to email. And simply plug in the email address you want that link to go to. You don't have to worry about putting the message subject or the message body in. As long as the email address in there, that's fine. And now press OK.